all household items that people have donated. Furniture. Then you got these bins that you dig through. Those there are usually dishes. I'll give you an example. So you can find some good used camping cookware here. New, gently used. Up top are all these bins that you dig through for clothing. Right? See the real good coat over there. Up here are a lot of bags. Sleeping bags. I've gotten all my down sleeping bags here for pennies on the dollar, next to nothing. A lot of bags. You have to sift through it. Sample of a backpack here. Right. Some fishing rod holders. They're a bit moldy, so you got to be careful of that. Take this stuff back to your house, and it can get full-blown mold. So, see that Columbia coat? Yeah, it needs washed. But if you're not too prideful, it works out. I've gotten a ton of Nalgene water bottles in this location. The really big surprise is I've gotten a lot of REI gear. So here's an example of Plano tackle box system. There's a mosquito net. Right. So, thrifting on a budget for used camping gear.